What are your thoughts on this? After weeks of backlash, he was spotted in a Merc. Let's take a look.
Messi Makule. Aye, what a time. About this guy. What is this? Just look at this. Aye. What a time, Zanti, to be alive. To witness South Africans like McG thriving. That man can live without multi-choice. And I'm sure all of us who are seeing that, he is living without multi-choice. Aye.
So this is the car that McG was seen driving after being booted out by MultiChoice. You know, he's not known as someone who likes to flaunt around his money on social media like all these other celebrities do. People are now speculating like, where did all that money come from?
You see, the worst thing that you can do for yourself when you do get wealthy is this one thing, and it's to show off your wealth. It's to be flamboyant. You see, people don't understand this one thing. Wealth in itself is very offensive. That is what you're not understanding when you get here and you flaunt your wealth. You think people are going to clap for you. See, people might be clapping for you, but what you don't understand is that they are waiting for your downfall. You must be a ghost. Get this.